kayak just got here.
I heard everybody yelling.
He doesn't even know it's coming because it's been like 3 months. So I told Cordy to go put it on his bed. So when he goes in his room later, he's gonna see his kayak. He's gonna go.
Where's his bed? Oh, in the basement.
It's in the basement.
Oh yeah. Y'all remember? I don't know if we posted a video about it, but Kenny's kayak got stolen on the Ocoee in Tennessee. Yeah, the Ocoee in Tennessee, one of the coolest rivers ever. But it was stolen right off our trailer. Like they cut the wires and everything. It was unreal. But we ordered it like the next day, a new one, and it's getting here today. Good thing we didn't need it. Good thing we've been so busy. This is the worst job what Katie's doing right now. She is removing all the paint. So she's sanding and putting paint remover all over that because Dan thinks it's impossible to do. He's probably right, but I would have rather tried. And Emmy, Ellie, and Kobe, you guys are our chefs. Woohoo! Dan, can I go order a doorbell? Does it have to be a special kind or anything?
Have you found yours? We have one somewhere that you bought.
Really?
Hey, what's wrong? We should probably wait until we go through the storage boxes and things. Because you actually bought one.
Excuse me. Sneezing. Okay.
So if we have, that's something we can easily put on later.
Okay. Hi.
So if we find it, great. If not, we'll find it.
We're not the chefs. We're the
Cookers. The maids.
servants.
The servants. Cool. Have you ever heard of indentured servitude?
Huh?
Indentured servitude?
Nice. All right. Ready? We got a head button. That's a big one.
That was good. Nobody's cut out. Maddie, go kick it! I kicked that pool!
Already take those. Oh, don't yank! I already told you this. No, yeah, because you're gonna tear that wall down. That wall stays. Or you're gonna crack it. Hold on, I need the. Yeah, try that.
Can I put you here? No. Do you understand what's happening? No.
This wall's behind it.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay behind it. Daddy's trying so hard.
That's weekend.
What? I
You
didn't
already got to.
You kicked.
You kicked it
I'm
down.
not kicked.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna break it anyways. Guys, back up. Back up. Hold on. Back up. Back up.
Yeah. That hurts my so like that even hurts.
You're hitting the side. Alright, you guys pick up. Hold up there.
Mommy, I kicked the huge hole down there.
First punch.
Yeah.
What
What is that talking?
Guys, there's a board right there. Stop. You shook the whole wall. Dal, you did this to the board. Oh, wait. You broke the whole wall, you idiots.
How?
Carry these pieces. Carry these pieces out. I know.
Now we know why we already actually punch walls. And then he starts to bleed. This is just like it's hard to punch up high if you do like
This part, the flat part looks good, but you probably have to stay on the edge.
yeah, I haven't done that. I can't do that with that though.
That looks good.
Broken down.
Wait.
Maddie, where?
Where's the marker? Sharpie. Hold on.
Why do you take it apart?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, look. Look. Do it like this.
Hold on. I'm figuring it out right
Now we know why I got it.
Guys, we got a half hour.
Oh, shoot. Can I run really quick then?
You better hurry.
Better go.
Come on.
Hey, Kenny, just wear anything.
If I can take a picture of this.
Why is Clyde peeking up?
And you take a picture of it.
Oh, I'm taking a picture of it.
Yeah,
Then I can remember how it was. Then I can remember how it was. Oh, Emmy, come out of there. Maddie, hold that box up. I need.
Maddie, hold that box.
Grab that box and bring it over here. I need shadow. Yeah, or cover the window. No,
It's the upper one.
Oh shoot! All right, come over here. Come over here then.
Probably have a big roof.
Take this.
So this is Carrie's boyfriend's house. We're here. Yeah, duck, Kobe, run, get him.
Throw him back.
Ellie.